Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can connect MyFxBooks to MetaTrader 4. So please listen carefully to each steps that I will be doing and explaining. So yeah, before starting, you have to make sure that your MT4 is already installed and your account is logged in and your MyFxBook account is ready. So in my case, I don't have one yet. So you have to make sure that you do have an account before proceeding to the next steps. So yeah, this syncs your MT4 trades to MyFxBooks for analytics. So first on your myfxbook.com, you will go ahead and choose add account, which you can find on the settings, which is right here. So go ahead and click that and just wait for it to load. And once you're here, again, click this orange button right here, which is add account. And then what you will have to do is, of course, wait for the website to load. And once you're here, you will click MetaTrader, and then you will choose MetaTrader 4, and then you will see three connection methods, which is live, auto update, and then expert advisor. And what you will have to do is pick the one that matches your setup. For the EA method, you will download EA installer.exe and then install, and then you will restart MT4 and enable expert advisor, which is right here. And then you will go to tools and then options and then expert advisors, and then you will drag the myfxea from navigator and then experts onto a chart, and then you will enter your myfxbook details in the ea inputs and click ok. For auto update, which is right here, or live update, follow myfxbook's instructions. You may need to enter an ftp or investor password depending on method. The MyFxBooks help pages walk through each method, step by step, and you will monitor the MyFxBook account page for initial sync and confirm trades appear. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if it was helpful for you, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.